This guy, hardware, instructions in color. I might pay attention to these a little bit, right? Just because they're in color. What do we got here? Okay. Assuming it's a rear. 2 rears. Or this looks like it's probably a front. 2 fronts. There we go. Alright guys, we're going to install the Mudbuster front fender flare. First off, we're going to remove this bolt, and then I'm going to temporarily put this on it and clamp it to the top. I want to make sure that this is pushed in real tight. Otherwise it's going to look like you did a shitty job. Okay, yeah, super quick. It took like, maybe 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Looks pretty mean. I got this side done already. Okay. Yeah. Door almost hits it. Looks good though. Should give a lot of protection. Looks real mean too.